Now this letter is called Raswa Swar. Why? Because we pronounced it quickly. Now let's see the next letters. A sleeping line. Then write 5. And then from here you have to make a small standing line. A. Repeat after me. Again. Sleeping line. 5. A small standing line. A. Repeat after me. Very good. Now again. Sleeping line. 5. A small standing line. A. Repeat after me. Very good. This swar is called Dirgha swar. Why? Because we took time to, yes, we took time to pronounce. Let's write the next swar. Now, sleeping line. Write 5. A small standing line. And then a slanting line on the top. This is a matra, okay? I. Repeat after me. Yes, very good. Now let's write again a sleeping line. 5. Small standing line. And one more slanting line on the top. I. Repeat again. Very good. Now let's write one more time. Sleeping line. 5. A small standing line. And one slanting line on the top. I. Repeat after me. This letter is again Dirgha swar. Why? Because we took time to pronounce. Yes. Very good. Now let's write the next vowel. For that we need to write first A. Write A first. Then we have to write one more standing line, and on this second standing line, we have to give one more slanting line. This is called O. Repeat after me. Yes, very good. Now let's write A again. A. One standing line, and on that standing line, one slanting line. O. Repeat after me. Very good. Again, write A. Then one more standing line. And on the second standing line, give one slanting line. O. Repeat after me. Very good. This is also called Dirgha swar because we took time to pronounce this letter also. Now the next letter we are going to write is Au. Let's write that letter. Are you ready? Okay. Write A. Then write one more standing line. And on this second standing line, make 2 slanting lines. Au. Here we made one slanting line. In Au, we have to make 2 slanting lines on the top. Okay? Au. Repeat after me. Yes. Now let's write again. Write A. After A, make one more standing line. And 2 more slanting lines on the top. Au. Repeat after me. Yes, very good. Now let's write one more time. Write a, sleeping line, Now write a standing line, and on this second standing line, write 2 slanting lines. Ow! Repeat after me. Very good. This letter is also called Dirgha Swar because we pronounce this letter slowly. We took time to pronounce this letter. That's why. Now let's read all the swar. A, E, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au. The swar that I have written in blue color are Raswa swars, and the swar that I have written in red colors are Dirgha swar. Okay? You must have noticed that teacher did not mention 2 letters, and they are and aha. तुमच्या लक्षात आलंच असेल की टीचरने 2 लेटर आणि आहा सांगितलेच नाही, त्यांचं नाव पण नाही घेतलं. असं का केलं असेल टीचरने? Why did teacher do that? Because those 2 letters and aha are called swaradi. Swaradi means to pronounce the swar before the sign. स्वरादी म्हणजे आपण स्वराचा उच्चार अगोदर करतो. Now you might get confused. What sign? We don't know. आम्हाला नाही माहिती स्वरादी म्हणजे काय. So let me explain you swaradi in detail. Now you can see this one dot. This is the sign of anuswar, and this 2 dots is the sign of visarga. Okay, now to use this anuswar and visarga, we need to write swar first. And when we are writing swar first, we pronounce swar first. That's why it is called swaradi. Now how? That I will show you. Let's see some examples. Now first I am going to write number 1, A. Plus I am going to use this anuswar, that's why plus anuswar ka sign. Okay, is equal to, now first write A and give that anuswar sign on the top of this letter A. Now this letter is Repeat after me. So first we pronounced A and then we pronounced anuswar. Repeat again. Repeat again. Okay, so let's write again. First write A. Then give anuswar. Repeat. 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 Very good. Let's write one more time. First write A. Then give anuswar. Repeat. 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 So we pronounced first A and then we pronounced this visarga. Sorry, anuswar. Now let's come to visarga. Now again, to write visarga, we need to write swar. So here I will write number 2. Let's write swar first. Plus, now we are going to take visarga, so sign of this visarga is equal to, And every time, whenever we try to pronounce visarga, it sounds like her. Okay? Visarga sounds like her. How? You will understand now. I will show you it. Let's write a. Give this sign of visarga. Now repeat after me. Aha. Repeat. Aha. Repeat. Aha. Repeat. So first we pronounced a and then we pronounced visarga, which sounds like her. Okay. So let's write one more time. Write a. Give two dots, which is the sign of visarga. Now repeat. Aha. 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 Let's write one more time. Write a. Now give visarga. Let's read. Aha. Repeat again. Aha. Aha. Now you all understood what is anuswar and what is visarga. Every time when we have to use anuswar and visarga, we need to write swar. And when we are writing swar, we pronounce swar first and then we pronounce this anuswar and visarga. That's why it is called swaradi. Okay? Now that we saw how to write a to aha, let's see how to write them in our Marathi notebook. In our Marathi notebook, we have to write 2 pages of a to aha. On one page, write a to u, one letter, full one line. Okay, so like that you have to write a to u on one page. On next page, write ru to au, and on the third page you can write and aha. But just in case if you finish all these letters in 2 pages, it's okay. But make sure it's looking neat and clean. Okay? And in your Marathi workbook which is given you, you can write that every day one letter, one page you can write. Okay? That is just for your practice at home. Let's read all the letters one more time before we wind up the class. You have to repeat all the letters after me just the way I pronounce the word and the letter. Let's begin. A, ananas. A, agagadi. I, imarat. I, idlimbu. U, ukhara. U, usa. Ru, rushi. एड़का. ऐरावत. ओठ. औषध. अंगठी. आहा. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.